Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, compass, low tire pressure warning. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.